Hard to believe we're in week 2, but we are. So you click on week 2 here, open it up, and you will find everything that's due. Plus, there'll be one more item above the reading assignments. It's the walkthrough that I'm creating right now. So, uh, I don't know if you've noticed already, but we are going to read the same article. That's one of the things that I can manage to help you with, is that we don't have to recreate the wheel in a sense. So we'll do a critique about the article we summarized, and part of your summary can go into the critique. Okay. So you really need to read the text. There's a couple of different texts here to read. They show you how to do critiques, and they give you examples of critiques, which you can study. Again, this is dense reading, and you got to read closely. If you have questions, please ask them. I can address them via video, screencast, or we can get together for some FaceTime. All right. The first thing you're going to want to do this week is to make sure that we know what your research question is. And this is a discussion board, so you not only will tell everybody else what your research question is, you'll tell us why you chose it and where you've gotten to so far. In other words, what you've discovered. And you need to respond to at least 2 of your classmates' responses. And in those responses, you need to, 1, look for something worth praising, 2, look for ways to polish the question, and 3, ask questions about their questions. You need to do all 3 to get credit, and you need to respond to 2 classmates to get credit. I'll repeat. You do all 3 of those, praise, question, and polish, and you have to do it for 2 people. The big writing assignment for the week is the critique. Here is just a copy of the article again, and a short checklist. You can find out a lot more about what I think the critique needs, not only by carefully reading the reading assignment, but also by looking at this critique template. And I have this template is one I used last semester in my English 300 face-to-face class. So here it is in document form, Word form, and here it is in a PDF form. Second writing assignment for the week. Make sure you do your research plan again. And your research plan is how you're going to answer that question that you proposed up here under what is your research question. So what is your research question? And down here is well, how am I going to answer my research question? And remember, this DAPS thing here is super handy. Specific research goals are the key to not wasting time. And man, you do not have any time to waste in this course. And the last writing assignment for week number 2 is the research reflection. Now, I'm going to be working on your research reflections today so that you'll have a better idea how to improve them for this research. Each of these research reflections I expect to get better and better. Okay, that's it. That's all I got to say. Write to me if you have any questions.